Hello dear students, today we will learn on the topic that is doubles. Now here, let's start with a double number. Now what is a double number? Double number means adding same number two times. That is, both the addends number will be same. That is, we can add, suppose example, let's take 24. To find the double number of this 24, what we have to do is, we have to add 24 two times. So if we add 24 two times, we get 48. Or we can find the double number by just multiplying it by 2. That is 24 times 2 is 48. So remember, to find your double number, just add the number 2 times to get your answers, or you can just multiply by 2 to get your answers. That's how we find for the double number. There is another way to find for the double number, that is by using partitioning method. So how do we use here is, we have the number that is 24. I'm going to use this number same, that is 24, to find out the answers using partitioning method. So how do we do is, first partitions the number, that is 2 in a 10, so 20, and 4 in a 1, so 4. So what I have to do here is, to find for the double, that means we multiply by 2. So let's find it. Double of this 20 is how much? We know that it's 40. And the double of this 4 is 8. That is 2 times of 20 is 40. And 2 times of 4 is 8. So you add it. So how much do you get? 40 plus 8 is 48. So that's how we use to find the double number, that is by using partitions method also to get our answers. The answers will be same. The difference is we're using different strategy, that is first just by adding 2 numbers same times, and then second is by simply multiplying by 2, and then third one is by partitioning the number to get our double number. Now let's go to the second one. Now here, this is a sequence. It's a sequence number. Let's try to find the missing number here. Now here, how to find the sequence here? That is the next number. What will be the next number in this 2 gap here? So how to find out is, when you're doing for the sequence number, what you have to do is check the difference between the 2 numbers each. Now from this 3 to 6, we know that there are 3 gaps. That is 3. From 3, if you count 4, 5, 6. That means you have 3 gaps. That is 3 count. And then from 6 to 12, how much gap do you have? Let's check. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means you have 6. That means we know that from 3 to 6 to go to 3, they have taken 3 count. That is double of 3. That is double of 3 is 6. And then here for the second count, they have taken 6 count again for the second number. Sequence, they have taken 6 count, that is double of 6, that is 12. So that means, to get the next number, what you have to do is, you have to double the number. So for, that is, after 12, what will be the next number? To find for the next number, what you have to do is, double your number, that is your 12, that is 24. And for the next number, what you have to do is double again this number, that is 24 and 24 makes 48. So that's how we find the sequence number. So know that, see the pattern, how the pattern is going, and according to that, find the missing number. Now let's go to the next one. Here, this time, this one is a little different from the first one. But here, each of the sequence, they're using the doubling method. Now here, from 2 to 3, that is just 1 count. That is 2 plus 1, 3. And what about this from 3 to 5? That is 3, 4 and 5. That means 2 count. That is 3, 4 and 5. And 5 to 9 is how many counts? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 4 count. And then from 9 to 7 is how many count? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That means it has 8 count. So when we look at this, 1, 2, 4 and 8, that means we find that is double of 1 is 2, And double of 2 is 4 for the next number. And double of 4 is 8. That means for the next number what you have to do is you have to count double of 8. That is double of 8 is 16. So to get for your next number, you have to take the 16 count. You have to take 16 count to get the next number. That is 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. And 9 plus 8 is 17. So 17 plus 16, that is double of 8 is 16. So 17 plus 16 is how much? 17 plus 16 here. How do we 8? We know that the 7 and 6 is right next to each other. That is, we can follow this double plus 1 method. That is, your smaller number, we'll take the smaller number, that is 6, and double it. We get 12. And then what do? Is we add one more to the sum. That is, we get 30. So that means 7 plus 6 is 13. So we write 3 and take this 1 to the other place. So how much it is now? 1, 2, and 3. So we got our answer 33. 33. So that's how we see the pattern and then find the missing number. Now let's go to the last one. That is number 3. Here we have to use this doubling to complete this pattern. So this other pattern given here, we have to use this doubling method to complete this empty box here. So what do is, how to feel what number will come inside this empty box. Let's see the pattern here. When I look at this pattern and find it, that is 2 times of 13, 2 times of 1 times of 13, 2 times of 13, 4 times of 13, and then 8 times of 13. So what I find here is double of 1 is 2. And then double of this 2 is 4 here. And double of 4 is 8 over here. And what about these answers here? That is double of 13 is 26. That is 13 plus 13 makes 26. So for this next number will be double of this 26. So double it 26. So double of 26, that is 6 into 6. That is double of 6 is 12. And then add one more to this one space. That is 2 plus 2, 4, and 5. So that makes 52. That means double of 26 is 52. And for this last one, what you have to do is double this number. That is 52. 52. You add it 2 times to get the answers. That is 2 and 2 makes 4. And 5 and 5 makes 10. That is 52 plus 52 is 104. So that's how we use this doubling here to complete the patterns. So that's all for today. See you again in the next video.